Have you ever heard of places so treacherous that even setting foot on them could be a death sentence? Welcome to the world of Snake Islands, where the ground writhes with some of the planet's most venomous reptiles. These isolated land masses aren't just home to snakes, they are dominated by them, creating unique and deadly ecosystems. Let's embark on a thrilling journey to explore these infamous snake havens and uncover their mysteries. The Serpent's Den Isle. Tucked away in the isolated Atlantic waters, Serpent's Den Isle is well known for having a large number of golden lancehead vipers. With the exception of a few courageous scholars, the Brazilian government has prohibited travel to this small island off its coast due to its extreme hazard. The island has a reputation for being lethal because of stories of fishermen who ventured too close and perished. Venomfang Island, Southeast Asian island. Venomfang is a wonder of the natural world. The poisonous king cobras, whose bites have the power to kill an elephant, are abundant in the island's lush forests. These snakes play a critical role in maintaining the island's delicate equilibrium, which is both interesting and dangerous because they regulate the population of small mammals. Viper's Nest Cay. There is a story that Viper's Nest Cay in the Caribbean is cursed, and this myth is reinforced by the innumerable accounts of unfortunate explorers. The viper population on the island, which is mostly made up of pit vipers, exhibits unusual habits like group nesting. This cay is an intriguing but dangerous place to visit because of their deadly nature and the legends that surround them. Asp's Abyss. One of the wonders of the Mediterranean is Asp's Abyss. The island's asps have ideal hiding places in its craggy cliffs and secret caverns, and their venom can quickly cause respiratory collapse. Scientific investigations have uncovered a great deal about these enigmatic snakes, including how they have adapted to such a hostile habitat. Cobra's Curse Isle. Many cobra species, including the extremely poisonous spitting cobra, can be found on Cobra's Curse Isle in the Indian Ocean. The island's foreboding charm is enhanced by tales of adventurers who just missed dying there. These cobras' strong venom, which can cause blindness on its victim, emphasizes the danger that lurks around every corner. Fangrock Island. The majority of humans find Fangrock Island uninhabitable due to its steep cliffs and hazardous terrain, but the local snake population finds it ideal. The unique snake species on the island are the subject of intensive study and protection, since they are essential to maintaining the ecological balance of the island. Rattlesnake Ridge. Rattlesnake Ridge, high in the parched highlands, is a snake's paradise. Their characteristic rattles alert others to their existence, although few manage to avoid them. Native American cultures have cultural importance associated with the ridge, and they view rattlesnakes with a combination of terror and reverence. Boa's Lair. Boa's Lair is a tropical haven for boas located deep within the Amazon rainforest. The island's biodiversity is dominated by these constrictors, which are renowned for their enormous size and strength. A diverse range of other creatures is also supported by the lush rainforest, resulting in a special and lively habitat. Pit Viper Point. Pit Viper Point in Central America is well known for having a wide variety of pit vipers living there. Here, scientists have found new species of snakes among other groundbreaking findings. Tales from these explorations emphasize the excitement and perils of observing these deadly animals in their native environment. Basilisk Bay Isle. The Isle of Basilisk Bay is veiled in legend. The lethal realities of the island's snake fauna are reflected in old legends of terrifying basilisks whose gaze could turn men to stone. Archaeological discoveries imply that the bay has long been associated with both terror and reverence, fusing biological intrigue with mythology. Mamba's Wrath Island. The violent black mamba population of Mamba's Wrath Island off the coast of Africa lives true to its name. These snakes have a deadly reputation for their swiftness and bites. Mamba encounters with humans are few but frequently deadly, adding to the island's terrifying image. Adder's End Isle. Europe's Adder's End Island is home to adders, whose venom produces excruciating pain and swelling. Since it is difficult to keep these snakes and their ecosystem free from human encroachment, the island serves as a focal point for environmental conservation initiatives. Python's Peril. Island giant pythons are the main draw of Peril Island in Python. These fearsome predators are strong constrictors that can reach amazing lengths. Tales of their interactions with people, which frequently end in dramatic escapes or terrible deaths, bear witness to their fortitude and resilience. Slitherstone Island. Numerous snake species find perfect refuge in the rocky terrain of Slitherstone Island. Ecologists research this particular habitat to learn how these reptiles survive in spite of the challenging circumstances, providing information on their flexibility and resilience. Copperhead Cove. Copperhead Cove is stunning and dangerous at the same time, home to unusual orange and brown snakes. Because of their ability to blend in with their surroundings, copperheads pose a hidden threat. There are many tales of close calls and encounters in the cove's past. Death Adder Island. Death Adder Island gets its moniker from its deadly residents. One of the strongest venoms is that of death adders. It can paralyze a victim and kill them in a matter of hours. The goal of island-wide research is to learn more about these elusive snakes and how to preserve their quickly disappearing habitat. Anaconda's Haven. The powerful anacondas live in a place called Anaconda's Haven in South America. These enormous snakes, which are feared and fascinated due to their size and strength, are real. Stories of their interactions with people and other animals emphasize their hegemony in this remote environment. Venom Shore Isle. Numerous poisonous snake species can be found on Venom Shore Isle, all of which add to the island's reputation for being extremely lethal. The climate and vegetation of the island, along with other special environmental elements, provide the perfect environment for these snakes to flourish. Hydra's home legend has it that Hydra's home is the place where the multi-headed Hydra used to wander. The snake population on the island is still extremely dangerous today. Here, important discoveries have been made by science that deepen our knowledge of these extinct reptiles. Serpent Strike. Island snakes that strike fast are a well-known feature of Serpent Strike Island. Anyone who dares to venture near these nimble predators faces a continual threat. The goal of ongoing research and management of the snake population is to strike a balance between ecological preservation and human needs. These snake islands serve as a stark reminder of the fragile ecosystem balance due to their intriguing and dangerous characteristics. They evoke dread and amazement, but they also demand reverence for the special environments they represent. Thanks for watching. Join our awesome YouTube community and stay tuned for more exciting content. Be sure to check out my next video right here.